Namaste. This is my 25th video. First of all, I am proud to be a mathematics teacher. I have completed a long journey of mathematics teaching, about 40 years, 4 decades. I want to share some of my feelings in my journey as mathematics as a career. భగవద్గీతలో ఒక శ్లోకం ఉంది, నహి జ్ఞానేన సదృశం, నథింగ్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వలెంట్ టు జ్ఞాన. I adopted that sloka in a different version. I just changed that. I thought that nahi ganitena sadrusham, nothing is equivalent to mathematics. So mathematics has played a vital role in my journey of life. How to improve mathematics career? First of all, we should be lucky to get a good guru in mathematics. Unfortunately, I could not get a good guru up to my 7th class, but I was lucky. I had excellent teachers in my high school career and also plus 2 and degree classes. First of all, we should set a role model. That is, the role model is important. We should take any of our guru of mathematics as a role model. At least anyone will get at least one guru before he completes his education who can inspire that person. In my life, I was greatly inspired by G.K. Ranganath. He was my guru for 5 years. That is when I was in intermediate, which we were calling as pre-university course, PUC, when I studied. That G.K. Ranganath, he inspired me a lot. Actually, unlike others, he was not teaching the problems much. Whenever he started any chapter, for about 1 hour or 2 hours, he was telling about the origin of that subject and also the scope of the subject, and he was excellently explaining what is the use of learning that subject. That inspired me a lot. He was not working many problems in the class. He was teaching only few problems beautifully, and he was inspiring us to go to library, to referring for the reference of many books. He was suggesting the good books. Like that, we have to set a role model. After that, I became teacher, which was my dream also. I wanted to become teacher when I was in intermediate itself, because when I entered intermediate course, I started teaching mathematics for the 10th class students. When I entered degree, I started teaching mathematics for the intermediate or PUC students. Since then, I had a lot of interest towards the mathematics. But my dream was to become a secondary school teacher, which I became, and I am successful in my journey as a teacher. So G.K. Ranganath was the role model. I followed his path. For any mathematics teacher, of course, it is applicable for any other subject, but more for mathematics. I am inclining all my feelings towards the mathematics. So you replace the word mathematics with any other aspect. It may be a music or any other subject. So all the whatever I am saying feelings, they are applicable for any field. So now I am sharing some feelings on mathematics. Role model. So G.K. Ranganath was my role model for many years. But my suggestion is, don't hang up with role model. ఎందుకంటే తెలుగులో ఒకటి ఉంది, అనుసరణ అనుకరణ. అనుకరణ మంచిది కాదు, అనుసరణ మాత్రమే మంచిది. We have to follow his principles. We should not imitate him. Initially, I might have imitated G.K. Ranganath. Later, I could develop my own methods of teaching. Especially in BEd, I was taught many methods of teaching: induction method, deduction method, heuristic method, synthetic method, It's like that, so many, I can't give the list. There are so many methods were told, and also later so many other methods might have been developed in the field of education. But after learning all these methods, they might have entered, and their essence might have been entered into my mind. But I teach by a new method. Do you know what is that method? That is Murthy's method. Like that, everyone follows his or her own method. That must be unique. Such a method should be developed. I tried my best to develop my own method. Then later, we should develop that method in such a way that should be a role model to the others. Simultaneously, that should be a signature. So my teaching must be a signature of me. So it cannot be easily copied. In such a way, I have to develop skills. Our teaching must be signature. Our signature. But even signature can be copied. It has been my teaching, so many others are copying my teaching, same method. Of course, we should feel happy that our method is copied, means it has been taken to the generations. Okay. But for any teacher to develop his method, his signature is not the final stage. He should develop his skills, he or she develop his or her skills, so that our method of teaching must become our DNA. This is the ultimate goal. Generally, DNA cannot be copied. I don't know whether I am successful. I have reached to that goal. Still, I am trying and trying and trying, so that my method should become my DNA. Because learning is from womb to tomb, from birth to death. I hope I will reach. Sorry, I can't reach actually. I will tend to reach to say, so that my teaching will become my DNA. Thank you very much.